and like I said, it was sort of them busy rooms. It's a song called Going Gone. If you can maybe clap with me in the chorus, we might have a lot of fun, you know what I'm saying?